Do you want to get more out of your balcony or your terrace and harvest fresh vegetables with little effort? The smart raised bed SAMMY Salad provides the perfect solution to all problems in vegetable growing and even fits on your balcony or terrace due to its small size. Back-friendly gardening in the smallest of spaces has never been easier. With 40 liters of soil volume, SAMMY Salad can be the home for many types of plants. SAMMY Salad only needs to be watered every few days. The integrated water tank makes sure your plants always get just the right amount of water. Thanks to the window in the side panel, you'll always know when it's time to refill. The robust, removable cover protects your vegetables against freeze and lets you plant and harvest even during the colder seasons. From lettuce to herbs or even vegetables, SAMMY Salad provides you with lush and healthy greens year-round and manages to transform every balcony into a little green oasis. Enjoy your own variety of salads in many different flavors. Taste your salad. Taste your garden. Gusta Garden.